Africa has experienced recurrent conflicts, political instability, and social unrest, undermining regional and global peace. Achieving sustainable peace in Africa requires a multifaceted approach, addressing historical, religious, economic, and social-political factors. By leveraging opportunities and implementing effective strategies, Africa can transition from conflict to peace, stability, and prosperity. Yes, indeed it can.
It has been fantastic when we started the program. Some of the things that I will learn in the program will assist me and will also improve my conflict resolutions and also be able to mediate, resolve a lot of issues, and also create a harmonious environment for our people down there.
The Cardinal Onaikan Foundation for Peace, COFP, believes that equipping leaders and actors with peace and conflict management skills is a necessity for countering violent extremism. Fostering peaceful and healthy human development requires changing the narrative for peace, which means empowering the people with a mindset that enhances peaceful coexistence.
The Foundation's vision of building social cohesion, inclusive societies that respect and uphold human dignity, aligns very well with CRS's mission to cherish, preserve, and uphold the sacredness and dignity of all human life, foster charity and justice, and embody Catholic social and moral teaching.
The dinner night, which marked the beginning of a one-year COFP fellowship program, was also an evening dedicated to welcoming the 7th set and 4th International COFP Fellows of the Cardinal Onaikan Foundation for Peace. These 7th cohorts were drawn from the 6 regions of Nigeria and 4 other African countries for the fellowship program, which commenced on the 29th of July, 2024 in Abuja, Nigeria.
What a fantastic program this is, how much I believe in it, how much the Government of Canada looks at programs like this as being so integral for peace, prosperity, and stability in Nigeria and across this continent.
Out of 1,009 fellowship applications that were received from all over the continent of Africa and beyond, these 48 lucky candidates were shortlisted for the 2024-2025 COFP International Fellowship Program. With the Module 1 of the program, they have already commenced training in the field of dialogue negotiation, conflict management, community and human development during this one-year fellowship program. Declaring the event open, the chair and president of the foundation, and also the Cardinal Archbishop Emeritus of Abuja Archdiocese, His Eminence John Cardinal Onaikan, CON, in his opening speech reminded the participants that you are the torchbearers of hope, peace, and progress. He urged them to engage with empathy, lead with integrity, and to remain steadfast in their commitment to building a better Africa for future generations.
Our continent of Africa needs to wake up. To foster unity and peace, we must prioritize inclusive governance that respects and represents all voices. Education and economic empowerment are crucial in bridging divides and building resilient communities. Dialogue and reconciliation must replace hostility and retribution, enabling us to move forward together as one united Africa.
While welcoming the participants, the Executive Director, Reverend Sister Agatha Chikelwe DMMM, stated that if we are to achieve positive peace and development in Africa, then dialogue emerges as a powerful alternative, one that offers the promise of sustainable solutions.
At the Cardinal Onaikan Foundation for Peace, We believe that every challenge presents an opportunity to explore, develop, address, and implement new strategies for promoting sustainable peace. Our fellowship program is meticulously designed to inspire and engage participants in addressing issues pertinent to their local realities.
The climax of the event was the official presentation of the 2024-2025 fellows to the audience.
Seydou Zakaria Doliwura is a Muslim from Greater Accra, Ghana. He is the chairperson of the Africa Union Interfaith Dialogue Forum Steering Committee. Doliwura is a traditional chief of his community and had previously served as the chief of staff and spokesperson of the King of Gonja Kingdom. He is the director at the Ministry of Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs, Accra. Doliwura holds a PhD in Public Policy Administration from Walden University, USA, and a master's degree in Economic Policy Management and Finance from the University of Ghana. Doliwura is inspired to apply for the COFP Fellowship Program because of his deep dedication to promoting peace and cooperation in our interconnected world. He is eager to gain practical tools and strategies for facilitating dialogue, managing conflicts, and promoting reconciliation across diverse contexts. He is committed to leveraging his newfound expertise in promoting understanding, foster cooperation, and cultivate sustainable peace that benefits all members of society. And this is why he sees this program as a valuable channel to enhance his expertise in peace building and conflict resolution.
Priska Happiness Ovard is a religious sister of the Medical Missionary of Mary, MMM, and a native of Cross River State. She is the Assistant National Coordinator for Pro-Family Life Association of Nigeria, UYO. She holds a bachelor degree in Nursing Sciences from National University of Ireland. Priska emphasized that the fellowship program will empower and equip her with an understanding on the conflict dynamics, which will enable her to gain insights into the causes and dynamics of conflicts. She hopes to acquire the necessary skills on conflict resolution and techniques for managing conflicts constructively.
Abdusalam Hamida Opeyemi is a Sunni Muslim from Ogun State. She holds an MBBS in Medicine and Surgery from the University of Ilori, Kwara State. She graduated as the overall best medical graduate and currently practices as a consultant obstetrician gynecologist at the Federal Medical Center Abeokuta and Sacred Heart Hospital, Abeokuta. Hamida explained that working in a health-based multi-religious setting, diplomacy, mediation and dialogue becomes a core aspect of the effective healthcare delivery, and as such, the skills acquired from the fellowship program will refine her understanding on how to provide acceptable care services to patients within the limits of their various religious beliefs.
Evoked by Emmanuel Ande is a Christian from Taraba State. He is the West African Regional Coordinator of the United Religions Initiative, URI. He is a graduate of General Management and holds a master's degree from Guglielmo Marconi University, Italy. He also holds a doctorate in comparative religion from the University of Sedona, Arizona, USA. Emmanuel is excited about the opportunity that the fellowship offers for professional development, personal growth, networking, impact, learning, connections, and collective actions within a supportive community, and will leverage on the skills and knowledge acquired to effectively manage conflict and promote peace in his community. A documentary on COFP Foundation tagged COFP at a Glance further showcased lots of achievements and positive impacts that the foundation is making at different levels through its activities since inception in 2010.
I hope to use the knowledge I acquire in the program so as to enhance peaceful coexistence amongst diverse religions and communities.
And this program is really worthwhile that I found myself here. This program will really deepen my knowledge on the various aspects on interreligious debate. Especially, I'm a Christian. I don't really know much of Islamic tenets and activities, but so I believe this program really exposed me more.
With the inauguration of the 2024-2025 fellowship program, the one-week-long Module 1 classes of the program commenced.
So this training, my participation here has re-elevated my mindset when it comes to promoting peace. And as I go home to Liberia, I will ensure that all of the skills, knowledge acquired being applied. I will have town hall engagement. I will have dialogue among young people, organized so that we can all share our thoughts, how we can live together in a very peaceful environment.
I will use this knowledge in such a way that I will be able to empower people. I will be able to talk to people about the need for peace. What we actually need is what should unite us and not what should separate us.
The foundation, as usual, remained thankful to her funders, the Conrad N. Hilton Foundation and the Catholic Relief Services, for their kind support through strategic investments in conflict prevention, which enhances regional cooperation and development in Africa.